Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. Let us make this beautiful two-in-one turban. Two-in-one turban. I've already cut out my material. As you can see, is on fold. That the width measures 14 and is on fold. If you open it to be 28 by 30, 28 by 30. Look at it here. If you flip that side open, it will be 28 by 30, or you can cut 14 by 30 in two places and join it. Set that aside. That is for the body of our turban. And for the V pleats, I'll be using double step V pleat. I cut out my pieces also. The smaller one measures 4 by 20 in two places. 4 by 20 in two places, and this bigger one measures 5.5. 5.5 by 20 also in two places. So I've done this similar V-shape base, so I'll be doing it again so that you can have an understanding. So this is how you are going to be folding it. The first one, for the smaller one, fold it like this and cross it. Yes, fold it like this and cross it. You can hold it down with your pin, and then you can join the two together. For those of us that have an understanding of what I'm talking about, pick the other pieces also that measures 5.5 by 20 and also fold it and pin it in the middle. Then you place the smaller one on top of the big one, ensuring that they both align or meet up in the middle. Place it like this, remove your pin and pin both together. Then take to your sewing machine, sew from one end to the other. You understand? This is a V pleat. Just watch what I'm doing, you understand it rather, sorry. And then just pin it in the middle, sew it like this to this end, then sew the other side. As you can see, I've done that. I'll cut off the excess in the middle. Cut it off gently. Please be careful of the sewn part so that you won't cut that side. So after cutting the excess, please fold. You can see the two step. After cutting the excess, get your turban base and turn it to the wrong side. Turn it to the wrong side and fold into two. So you are going to determine the middle, the midpoint. You can notch it or you can mark it with a chalk. You can see that I just marked mine so that I will know the middle. So now that I've known the middle, you can see me marking it, or I'm holding down with a pin. So I'll flip it open. I'll flip one side open, then place my V-shaped step inside, ensuring that the middle point aligns with the middle point of the turban base. Then close on it like this. Then you sew. So you can use your pin to hold it down so that it will not move from one side to the other, so that it can really align and stay well. So I have hold it down. Then you can go and sew from one end to the other, like half an inch, and ensure that you do not sew below the sewn line of the V band. Yes, don't sew below the line, so that when you turn it out, your band will not be showing. I've sewn it out, I have turned out from the middle, then I close like our normal turban, you know. So the next thing we're going to be doing it, because this design is two-in-one. The base is done. I've fixed my belts. So the next thing we're going to be doing is I'll be using this 1.5 inch Alice band, the big one. So I have this blue ribbon that measures 1 inch blue ribbon. I'll use it to wrap the Alice band. I'll use it to cover it. That is what I just showed you. I'll cover it and I'll set that aside. So I'll be using this white organza. It's an organza material, you know. This measurement I cut out here is 10 by 30 3, but I'll be reducing it later because I later realized that it's too big. I'll be reducing it to 10 by 20. Just continue watching. Then I've cut out these pieces of ashoke that measures 21 by length in 2 places. 21, just cut 21 by length in 2 places. Then this bigger one measures 37. The bigger one measures 37. So we'll take it to the sewing machine and just hem the side like this, fold into 2, sew that side, do it to the other side. This thing I'm explaining here is what you do to the whole piece of ashoke. Then after sewing it, after sewing both sides like this, turn it to the back and close it. Yes, after sewing, after having that side, turn it to the back like this and close it. Just close that side. So you repeat the same thing to the other 2 ashoke. As you can see, I've done that and I've turned it out. So see what I'm showing it. I've closed it. So we turn it out now. Please, after turning it out, ensure that the sewn part falls in the middle like this. Ensure it falls in the middle to the 3 pieces. Then we are going to arrange it like this. The bigger one will be in the middle and the smaller ones will be at just the sides like this, like forming a cross sign. So we'll place the smaller one on top of the bigger one, still ensuring that the middle points align like half an inch. Then you take to your sewing machine and sew it on it at the back like this. Neatly do the other side as well. You can see I've done it and it's looking like a cross sign. So the next thing we're going to be doing is we're going to be trying to form like a bow. Start folding from one end to the other end. Form your bow, form your like a bow tie. So my video is self-explanatory. If you have watched this video to this level, that means you're really enjoying what you're watching. Please kindly, if this is your first time, kindly subscribe to this channel so that whenever I drop new tutorial, new videos, you will get notified. You get notified. And I want to appreciate all my amazing subscribers, my beautiful subscriber. Thank you for your engagement. Thank you for asking questions and all that. I really appreciate you. Thank you so much. So after we have gotten the bow tie shape, just use your needle and thread to secure it in the middle. You can tie it whichever way pays you, or you can sew it. You can sew it, then tie it, just to secure the middle. So I'll set that aside, and I'll pick my organza material. You can see here I've reduced the measurement. It measures 20 by 10. So we fold. Well, we'll be hemming the whole 4 side like this. Take to your sewing machine, hem it the sides, the both 4 sides round. You know it's organza, so that it will not frill. Hem it and fold this other side to hem it. That is what we're going to be doing to the 4 sides. And after we have done it, we'll turn it to the wrong side, just like we will close the ashoke like this, and close it, then turn out. I've done that here. You can see I've closed it and turn out. So we're going to be forming a bow with this one as well. Form your bow with this one like this and secure it in the middle. So after securing it, place it in the middle of the ashoke that we have, the bow ashoke. Just place it in the middle and attach it to it. Sorry, I didn't know that I'm not capturing that part, but it's nothing. It's just placing it in the middle and sewing it, attaching it to the ashoke. I've done that. You can see the way it is. So now I'll be using this blue ribbon to cover the middle, because of so that the sewn part, the patch side will not be seen. So I'll use this bow tie to cover the middle and secure with a candle glue on top of our Alice band that I've already wrapped. That is what I'm explaining to you. I use candle glue. You're placing it on just sides. It's not perfect. It's not in the middle like that. You can see. So I've done it. The next thing we're going to be doing now is we're going that side that is long, the longer part. Will ensure it lays on the Alice band, and I'll use candle gum to gum it down. Then the two bow in the middle as well, I will close it and I'll pick that last bow that is also standing. I will fold all of them together. You can close with your needle and thread or use your candle glue. I use a candle glue here too. You can see all those parts that my hand is under. I will also use candle glue to gum that side neatly, and you can see this is how it looks. It's a one-sided design. So I have these patches I've cut out. I will use it to cover the middle, and I'll also use this to cover the back, and that is it. It's so beautiful. You can wear this separately, or you can wear it together. So this is the end result of our tutorial of our beautiful turban. Thanks for watching, guys. I really appreciate you. So see you next time. Bye.